How to log into Instagram without verification code. If you're trying to log into your Instagram but can't access your verification code, here are the most effective workarounds. First is through using the login link method. So on the login screen, tap on the forgot password button or get help logging in, and then enter your email, username, or phone number in here. So Instagram will send a login link to your registered email or SMS. So click the link to access your account without needing a verification code. Another way is through trying alternative verification methods. So if you set up multiple 2FA options, SMS, WhatsApp, authenticate your app, tap try another way when prompted, and choose the method you still have access to. Third option is to use backup codes. So if you save Instagram's 8-digit backup codes when you enable two-factor authentication, you can enter in one instead of the verification code. And lastly is to recover your account. So visit Instagram's Help Center and follow the steps under I can't access this email or phone number. You may be asked to verify your identity with selfie or government ID. And that is how you can basically log into Instagram without verification code.